Welcome and good evening. At the screen of Minalini Yanan, I am Tanya. Follow me for the news update. Today, at the initiative of Tripura Swimming Pool Club at the Agartala Durgabari Pond area, a Ganga Puja was done. Like other year, too, this year also they organized the puja. But due to COVID-19, this year in a small manner they organized the puja. From morning, by the maintaining the government protocol, this puja took place. But rush of the people was not seen this year, as said by one of the priests.
আজ শুক্লপক্ষের দশমী তিথি। সেই দশমী তিথিতে মা গঙ্গা স্বর্গের থেকে ভাগীরথীর পত্রীরা মর্তলোকে আসে। তাই এই শুভ লগ্নে শুভ তিথিতে আমরা এই করোনার ভয়াবহ এই করোনার মেনে বিধি মেনে যতটুকু সম্ভব সত্যি আমরা এই গঙ্গা সুইমিং ক্লাবের পক্ষ থেকে গঙ্গা মা গঙ্গার আবাহন করে পুজো করছি আজ এখানে।
The head of the family may be angry, but somewhere there is a love and affection for the children. He becomes very tense when the child gets ill, but he is the who gives encouragement.
The man may be very angry, although all the plans could be told in front of the mother's ears. Her chest trembled to do it in front of her father, but this man understands everything because he is a father. So wishing all the father a Father's Day. There is a much fuse about Mother's Day as there is about Father's Day, but not so much. Learning to work with his hand for the first time in his childhood. As soon as child got a little fever, his night sleep flew away due to tense. He is busy with the thoughts. What do we like to eat? That exactly what brought from the market. The best clothes to buy during puja. Planning how to secure the future. Sitting next to him to comfort him when he is upset. Giving the courage in difficult times of life. Yes, you can. Only you can. This man is the architect of our life. Father, mine, yours, everyone's safe heaven. The name of a silent love is Father. His affectionate love turned into a threat. So some people can't get up if they go too far with their father on the Father's Day. Then may be intimidated. But if you go a little deeper, you will see that the tears are glistering in the corners of his eyes after receiving Father's Day greetings. Emotions are throbbing inside his chest. Jaws are getting stiff. Maybe he will say, "Why are you wasting money?" 365 days of the year, he has left everyone with loves, friends and grandparents. Come on, one day, you all try to make him feel at least as much as he is really to us.
The weekly positivity rate now stands at 3.43%. The Union Home Secretary urged the official to keep a close watch on the situation.
The daily COVID-19 count in India fell below 60,000 after 81 days. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare informed on Sunday, with 58,419 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours. The active caseload in the country has now dropped to 7,29,243. The national weekly positivity rate now stands at 3.43%, while the daily positivity rate has came down to 3.22%. India also witnessed 1,576 deaths and 87,619 recoveries between Saturday and Sunday morning. The country has so far seen a total of 2.98 crore infections and 3.86 lakh coronavirus related fatalities. However, AIIMS Delhi Director Randeep Guleria on Sunday warned that the third wave of COVID-19 can strike India in the next 6 to 8 weeks. He also said that it is possible if crowds are not prevented and if rules are broken as a state and the union territories. Gurelia also emphasized on the need for strict surveillance and the area-specific lockdowns in case of significant rise in COVID-19. Earlier on Saturday, the Central directed all the states and the Union territories to step up the pace of COVID-19 vaccination. The Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla in a letter to a Chief Secretary said that vaccination against COVID-19 in the present scenario is critical to break the chain of transmission.
Two blood donation camp in Agartala on Sunday morning was organized. Attended the camp by ex-chief minister and the current leader of the opposition. At the office lane, according to the pre-demanded schedule, left organized Orga blood donation camp at the CITU State Department, student organization SFI, youth organization DYFI and the labor organization. Today's blood donation camp at the call of Agartala Region Committee. Opposition leader Manik Sharkar turned to the blood donors and courageous on this day. He confronted the journalist, obstacle to the social program. He also expressed his displeasure and he also said,
গত এক বছরের বেশি সময় ধরে পরামর্শ দিচ্ছি, অনুরোধ করছি কোভিডের চিকিৎসাটা আগরতলা কেন্দ্রিক করবেন। প্রথম জেলাগুলোতে নিয়ে যান, তারপরে দূরতম মহকুমাগুলোতে নিয়ে যান। ডাক্তারের অভাব পূরণ করুন, নার্সের অভাব পূরণ করুন, স্বাস্থ্যকর্মীর অভাব পূরণ করুন। জরুরি ওষুধ সেগুলো হাসপাতালে স্টক করুন। বিভিন্ন যে যন্ত্রপাতি যেগুলো যে পরীক্ষা নিরীক্ষা হয় এগুলো অনেক হাসপাতালে অকেজো হয়ে পড়ে আছে, নষ্ট হয়ে আছে, এগুলো ঠিকঠাক করুন। ফলে এই যে পরামর্শ আজকে একই পরামর্শ কিন্তু শুনছে না, মানছে না। অথচ তারাই কিন্তু প্রতিশ্রুতি দিয়ে এসেছিলেন ঘরে ঘরে চাকরি দেবেন। 3.5 বছর হয়ে গেল, 400-র উপর ডাক্তার বেকার বসে আছে, 2000-এর উপর নার্স বেকার বসে আছে, কয়েক হাজার স্বাস্থ্যকর্মী বসে আছে। এদের ছাড়া হাসপাতাল চলবে কি করে? এখন আমি দেখলাম আইএমএর ত্রিপুরা শাখার সভাপতি গতকালকে বোধহয় না পরশুদিন সারা ভারতবর্ষের একটা প্রতিবাদ কর্মসূচিতে অংশগ্রহণ করতে গিয়ে প্রেস মিট করে তিনি বলছেন যে নিয়ম হচ্ছে 10 জন রোগীর জন্য একজন ডাক্তার। ত্রিপুরাতে এটা করতে গেলে পরে তারা যে হিসাব দিলেন তাতে কয়েক হাজার ডাক্তার লাগে, মানে আমার মনে 3000 না 3500 মতো ডাক্তার। তাতে বলছে এখন ত্রিপুরা আছে মাত্র 900।
Three youth was killed in a mass beating on suspicion of a cattle theft. For a long time, different things were stolen from the area after police were informed, but they were unable to arrest the thieves.
7 days of the thief, 1 day of the householder. This common phrase came in handy today in the North Maharanipur area under Kallanpur police station. 3 youths was killed in a mass beating on the suspicion of a cattle theft. This caused a statewide stir. This main mystery is whether they were thieves at all or some other real police investigation will come out. It is learned that in the North Mahanpur area, local arrested 3 youths driving around in a Bolero pickup truck number TR01AL1662. When there was an inconvenience in the conversation, the local beated the 3 youths severely. Their allegation is that these 3 young men came to the area to steal a cow because for a long time the cows have been stolen under Mungyakami police station and Kallanpur police station have been informed, but nothing has been done. Not only that, the smuggled timber and the various drugs are constantly smuggled along that road with the help of some influential people. Not only cows, but also pigs and goats have been stolen from the area in the last few days. To date, the police of a Mungyakami police station have not been able to catch any one of them. That's why the local grabbed the 3 young men by the hand and beated them severely when they came to steal. Those are Saiful Islam of Shonamura, Jahid Hossain and Billa Mia in house of Shiramtapur. As soon as the news spread in the area, the police of a Mungyakami police station first went and brought the Saiful Islam to the Mungyakami Primary Health Center. On the other hand, Javed and the Billa Mia were rescued from the spot by the police and the fire brigade of a Kallanpur police station and was taken to Kallanpur hospital. It is known that these 3 young men died while they are still alive. On the other hand, the police of a Kallanpur police station and the police of a Mungyakami police station were not able to arrest anyone involved in the incident.
কিসের খবরের ভিত্তিতে আপনি আছেন? পেশেন্ট নিয়েছেন কিসের পেশেন্ট?
আমরা আমি এসেছিলাম মুঙ্গিয়াকামি থানা থেকে। ওই একটা এইদিকে গরু চুরে যখন পাবলিকে তারা দৌড়াদৌড়ি করতেছে, এরপরে তারা বলে পাবলিক তারা মারে এসে ফালে রাখছে।
কতজন ছিল তারা?
এটা তো কইতে পারতো না।
তার আগে তো আরো 2 জন আনা হয়েছিল।
এটা কইতে পারে না। আমরা মুঙ্গিয়াকামি থানা থেকে একজন ওই অ্যাম্বুলেন্সে তুলে দিছি, যাও একটু গ্যাসরা জীবিতে নম্বর করে দিয়ে
নামটা কবে বলছেন?
না না আমি কিছু কইতে না, এটা তো আমরা মুঙ্গিয়াকামি থানার এরিয়া, আমি জায়গাটা কইতে পারে না, আমি তো গিয়ে দেখছি।
Bureau Report, Mrinalini Yanan.
Again, the price of fuel went up. State-owned companies are raising prices in every 2 days. Whole country is facing financial crisis due to COVID-19, and with this, the hike in the fuel prices is creating a tense atmosphere among the common people.
Although fuel prices did not rise on Saturday, petrol and diesel prices again rose on Sunday. State-owned companies are raising prices in this way every 2 days, due to which people are becoming tensed. In Mumbai, petrol prices hit a century long ago. This time, the rest of the country is walking in the same path. In Kolkata, the petrol price was hiked by 26 paisa per litre and diesel by 29 paisa per litre on Friday. Petrol and diesel were priced at 96.84 and 90.54. Except on Saturday, the price of a petrol and diesel went up by 28 paisa and 26 paisa per litre. Today, the price of a petrol in the city is 97 rupees 12 paisa per litre, and the price of diesel has been 90 rupees 82 paisa per litre. In Mumbai, petrol price is rupees 103.38 per litre and diesel by rupees 95.44 per litre. In Patna and Thiruvananthapuram, petrol is being sold at a slightly higher prices of rupees 99 per litre. In Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, fuel prices have crossed hundreds. Meanwhile, the rise in petrol and diesel prices has pushed up the prices of essential commodities. The country is in a financial crisis due to the corona situation. All the states are upset due to such price hike.
2 people were injured in the accident in front of the main gate of Bishalgarh Electricity Office under Bishalgarh Police Station. According to the details of the incident, 2 youths on their way home from Agartala on their bikes at around 2:45 p.m. on Sunday were seriously injured in a head-on collision between a Maruti and a bike near Bishalgarh Electricity Office. The staff rushed to the spot and rescued the 2 injured youths in a bloody condition and brought them to Bishalgarh Subdivision Hospital.
ওই কারেন্ট অফিসটা পারিয়া
কি এর সাথে হয়েছে?
বাইক আর গাড়ি।
কিরকম ইঞ্জুরি হয়েছে?
ও ইঞ্জুর ভালো।
কয়জন?
2 জন।
গাড়ির নাম্বার পাওয়া গেছে?
না না,
বাইকের নাম্বার আমরা কইলে দিয়েছেন।
আমরা বিশালগড় হাসপাতালে গেছি।
Part of the nationwide program on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the liberation war of Bangladesh, the Tripura Provincial Congress Committee has also undertaken a series of programs in the state. A journalist at the Congress building at Post Office Chomoni in Agartala on Sunday. The Liberation War Celebration Committee announced the program taken by the PCC at the meeting. The convener is a Professor Manik Dev. Others in the party, including the Provincial Congress President, were also present in the program.
এই ইতিহাস নিয়ে এগিয়ে যাওয়া, যারা 50 বছরের জন্মেছে তারা জানে না ইতিহাস, তারা ইন্দিরা গান্ধীর যে অপরিমেয় অবদান জানে না, সত্যেন্দ্র সিংহের এবং তৎকালীন কংগ্রেসের যে অবদান বাংলাদেশের স্বাধীনতা যুদ্ধে, সেটা এই প্রজন্ম জানে না। তাদের অবগতির জন্য এই অনুষ্ঠানগুলো পালিত হবে। আমরা সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছি ডিসেম্বরের মধ্যে আমরা 2টো সেমিনার সেমিনারের বিষয় হলো বাংলাদেশের মুক্তিযুদ্ধ, ইন্দিরা গান্ধীর অবদান শীর্ষক। দুটো সেমিনার হবে, একটা কুইজ কম্পিটিশন হবে। কুইজও এই বিষয়ের ভিত্তিতে সারা রাজ্যের কংগ্রেস কর্মীদের এবং স্কুলের ছাত্রছাত্রীদের আমরা আহ্বান জানাবো এই কুইজে অংশগ্রহণ করার জন্য। আমরা 21শে জুলাই তারিখ, 3রা ডিসেম্বর তারিখ, 9 ডিসেম্বর তারিখ এবছরের এই তারিখগুলো, 16 ডিসেম্বর এই তারিখগুলো আমরা বিশেষভাবে উদযাপন করব। 16 ডিসেম্বর আপনারা জানেন পাকিস্তান হানাদার বাহিনী ভারতীয় ফৌজ এবং মুক্তি বাহিনীর কাছে আত্মসমর্পণ করেছিল। ওই দিনটিকে আমরা বিশেষভাবে উদযাপন করব, ত্রিপুরা প্রদেশ কংগ্রেস কমিটির উদ্যোগে উদযাপন করব।
Center has cleared that it is out of power to help from the government fund. On the other hand, the Delhi government has promised rupees 5 lakh to the families who died due to COVID-19.
The center has cleared the Supreme Court. It is out of power to help each family with rupees 4 lakh from the money available in the government fund. In a 183-page affidavit, the center said that if so much money was paid for COVID, the money could not be spent on any further illness that could be inappropriate. The center has made it clear that the death roll in the country has crossed 3.85 lakh in the corona. It will increase more in the coming days. In that case, it is never possible to compensate everyone. According to the center, according to the Disaster Management Act, the government will pay only compensation in cases of any natural calamity, including the earthquakes and the flood. It is not possible for the government to compensate everyone for the huge epidemic. But in the meantime, Madhya Pradesh has promised to pay compensation of rupees 1 lakh to the family of the deceased in all cases. On the other hand, the Kejriwal administration has promised rupees 5 lakh to the families of those who died due to lack of oxygen in the second wave of corona in Delhi. The central also said that all those who died due to corona should have COVID death mentioned in their certificate.
Thank you for watching. For more and regular updates, stay tuned at the screen of Mrinalini ENN. For live telecast, type www.mrinalinienn.com. Thank you.